everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over how to take a social post design that you've created in the Command platform and actually use that on a social post. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, go into your settings within Command and make sure you're connected for social posts. So you want to make sure you're connected for Facebook, Instagram, as well as X, depending on if you're looking to post to those three platforms. You can, of course, only connect one if you just want to connect to that one. But over here on the right, it will allow you to go ahead and connect account if that's not connected. Or if you are already showing connected like we are, you can, of course, manage those accounts or connect to more. Now, keep in mind, these are required to be business accounts in order to connect those and post to them, okay? And we do have tip videos going over how to set those up and connect to them. So if you have questions on that, you can definitely check those out or reach out to our support team, okay? Now from here, we're gonna head straight into design. We're gonna grab a social post that we've recently created. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one here. It says social. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna download this to our computer. So we're gonna go ahead and hit download, and we wanna download this as a PNG or a JPEG, okay? Now I'm gonna leave it as a PNG and hit download. And from there, it's gonna be added to my computer. I'm gonna hit done. And then from here, we're gonna head straight into campaigns. We'll give this just a second to load. So we're gonna go into campaigns now. We're gonna hit create, and we're gonna do social post, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and select that. This is where we can then go ahead and select the accounts that we have connected and which ones we'd like to post to. So again, you can post this to Facebook, Instagram, or X. You can then go ahead and type in any text that you'd like to include, coming soon. We're just going to keep it very simple and short. You can, of course, add emojis if you'd like to. We'll just type house. And then you want to add your media, okay? Now for this, you're going to want to browse files, or you can drag and drop your image. Now we've recently downloaded it, so it's right here. We can drag that over instead of searching our computer. And then we can change the cropping for this if we need to. So if you're not using a square, you're gonna wanna adjust this. You're either gonna use wide or freeform. That will allow you to adjust it however you'd like. Once you have that cropped and everything is in that section where you can see it, you're gonna go ahead and hit crop. It's gonna add your image. That allows you to preview it on the various platforms. If you need to and did not include the ownership statement or the DBA, you can add those. It will add them to the bottom of your design. Now we already have both of those, so we don't need to do that. And then lastly, you can go ahead and either schedule this post at a specific date and time, or you can go ahead and publish that immediately, okay? Now, of course, you can always save the draft as well. I'm gonna go ahead and schedule this. We're gonna push it out a week because I'm gonna cancel it right after. You can adjust the time, and then we're gonna go ahead and schedule. It's gonna give me another preview of all three of those platforms and what this will look like, and we can go ahead and hit schedule. Now, once we do that, we can come into our command social post. We can see that that is pending posting on the 26th, all three platforms. And as we come down, we can see that information again. And this is also where we can go ahead and edit the post or delete that if we made a mistake and need to cancel that. All right. And that is how you take a social post from designs and actually create a social post campaign. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, or if we can help with anything else, please reach out to our team. Our email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. We're here and happy to help. Have a wonderful day.